Why do CPU, RAM, and disk I/O limits cause environmental errors? Imagine your computer as a busy city. The CPU is like the city's traffic controller, RAM is the parking lot, and disk input-output is the delivery trucks. When these parts hit their limits, problems happen. Environmental errors happen when these hardware resources are stretched too thin. If the CPU is overloaded, it can't process tasks fast enough, leading to delays or even timeouts. That's like traffic jams blocking the roads, causing cars to get stuck. When the RAM runs out of space, the system can't hold all the data needed for programs to run smoothly. This can cause crashes or errors because the software tries to access memory that isn't available. It's like trying to park in a full parking lot. There's nowhere to put your car. Disk input-output limits happen when the storage device can't read or write data quickly enough. This causes delays in saving or retrieving files, which can lead to corrupted data or application crashes. Think of it as a delivery truck stuck in traffic, unable to unload or pick up goods on time. These limits are called environmental errors because they come from the system environment, not the software code itself. They depend on how busy the system is, hardware performance, and other running processes. That makes them tricky to reproduce consistently. Troubleshooting these errors involves watching system resources carefully. Using tools like system monitors or performance profilers helps you see when CPU, memory, or disk activity spikes. If you notice a bottleneck, you can take steps to fix it. One way to fix these issues is to optimize your software to use fewer resources. For example, reducing unnecessary calculations or data loads can help. Increasing hardware capacity, like adding more RAM or faster disks, also makes a difference. Managing workload distribution is another key. Spreading tasks across multiple systems or time periods prevents any one part from becoming overwhelmed. Proper error handling can also help your software recover gracefully if resources are temporarily unavailable. Understanding that these errors come from the environment helps you focus on system setup and resource management, not just fixing code bugs. Monitoring system performance, reproducing issues in testing, and adjusting hardware or workload are all part of the process. In the end, CPU, RAM, and disk input-output limits cause environmental errors because they restrict the hardware resources your software needs to run smoothly. Troubleshooting effectively means keeping an eye on these limits and adjusting your environment to keep everything flowing without hiccups.